This video is for educational purposes only. Government of Nepal, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, Curriculum Development Center, Sanathini, Bhaktapur.
The Test of Honesty. The author of the story is Ramesh Vikal. One day, a discussion arose in King Indra's court about honest and good people. Some said that scholars are honest and good, while others argued that simple and naive people are the most honest. Some believed that wealthy people are honest, while others said that only those who donate and do good deeds are truly honest. Another group claimed that poor people who fear dishonesty and never cheat others are the most honest. Some said that people of high caste are honest, while others argued that those from lower castes are more honest. No one could come to a definite conclusion. So, Indra decided to conduct a test of honesty. To carry out the test, Indra instructed Vishwakarma to build a cave in the middle of a dense forest. Once the cave was ready, 7 deadly carnivorous creatures, tigers, lions, snakes, scorpions, pythons, crocodiles, and jackals, were placed at the entrance as guards. After making these arrangements, a divine announcement echoed across cities, villages, and forests. In a cave in the middle of a certain jungle, there are 7 bags of gold coins behind 7 golden doors. This wealth has been sent by the gods. Only those who truly need money and will use it for good deeds may take it. Upon hearing this divine announcement, people from towns, villages, and cities gathered outside the cave. However, no one dared to enter. Finally, a learned Brahmin stepped forward. But as he approached the entrance, a voice from within asked, "Stop, who are you?" The Brahmin replied, "I am a learned Brahmin from this city." The voice asked, "What will you do with the wealth?" The Brahmin said, "I will use it for charity, religious works, and the devotion of God." The voice then asked, "Can you fight against evil?" The Brahmin replied, "Fighting is not the duty of a Brahmin." The voice continued, "7 deadly wild creatures guard this cave. How will you protect yourself from them?" Hearing about these fierce animals, the Brahmin trembled with fear. He quickly retreated, saying, No, I do not need the money." Many others, including the rich and the poor, Hindus and Muslims, also attempted to claim the treasure. However, the moment they heard about the dangerous creatures guarding the cave, they abandoned their attempts in fear. Finally, one man stepped forward with determination. He reached the cave entrance, and the voice from within asked, "Stop, who are you?" "I am a human," he replied. "Are you Hindu or Muslim?" The voice asked. The man responded, "I do not know. I was born in a Hindu home, raised by a Muslim family, and educated by Christians. I do not know my caste, but I do know that I am a human and that I need money to survive." The voice asked, "Do you consider yourself good or bad? Honest or dishonest?" The man replied, "I do not know. When I am starving, I may take food from those who have it. When I have enough, I share with those in need. I have never judged whether I am good or bad." The voice asked, "What will you do with the wealth?" The man said, "What is wealth meant for? I will use it as needed when the time comes." The voice warned, "At the entrance of this cave, there are deadly snakes, scorpions, and wild beasts. Only the truly righteous and honest can pass through them. Can you?" The man replied, "I do not know if I am righteous or sinful. But I do need money, so I will go inside. Whatever obstacles come my way, I will face them. That is what I have learned in life." With that, he boldly stepped inside. The moment his shadow fell on the creatures guarding the entrance, they melted away. He entered the cave and retrieved the gold coins. With that wealth, he helped many poor people. He built schools, hospitals, and factories, creating employment opportunities for many. In Indra's court, that man was declared the most honest and righteous person.